Nous AI Robot for Kids 12+, Scratch and Python Coding STEM Kit. Build your own AI robot with Scratch and Python programming. Advanced STEM coding kit for teens ages 12+. Unlock the exciting world of artificial intelligence, robotics, and computer programming with the Nous AI Robot for Kids 12+, Scratch and Python Coding STEM Kit. Designed for curious young innovators, aspiring engineers, and future programmers. This all-in-one educational robotics kit provides a hands-on learning experience that combines creativity, technology, and problem-solving. Whether you're introducing your child to coding for the first time or helping them expand their programming skills, this advanced STEM kit offers endless opportunities to learn while having fun. Unlike traditional toys, the Nous AI Robot is an interactive educational platform that encourages critical thinking, logical reasoning, and innovation. Kids and teens can build their own intelligent robot from the ground up, then program it using beginner-friendly Scratch coding or advanced Python programming. As their confidence grows, they can experiment with artificial intelligence features, robotics control, automation, and exciting coding projects. Perfect for children aged 12 years and older. This STEM robot kit bridges the gap between classroom learning and real-world technology, helping students gain valuable coding and engineering skills that are increasingly important in today's digital world. Build, learn, and create. The journey begins by assembling the robot using the included components. Every step introduces learners to mechanical engineering principles while teaching how robotic systems work together. Building the robot develops patience, focus, and spatial reasoning while making the learning process highly engaging. Once assembled, the robot becomes a programmable AI companion capable of performing numerous interactive functions. Kids experience the satisfaction of seeing their code come to life as the robot moves, reacts, and completes programmed tasks. Learn coding with Scratch. Scratch programming offers an ideal introduction to coding through a simple drag-and-drop interface. Students can quickly understand programming concepts without worrying about complicated syntax. Using Scratch, users can program robot movements, create interactive behaviors, design obstacle avoidance routines, build custom projects, learn logical thinking, understand sequencing practice loops, and conditions develop. Computational thinking. Scratch makes learning enjoyable while establishing a strong programming foundation. Advanced to Python programming. After mastering Scratch, learners can transition to Python one of the world's most popular programming languages used by professional software developers, engineers, and AI researchers. Python programming allows users to write real code, create advanced robot behaviors, learn programming syntax, understand variables and functions, explore object-oriented programming, build automation projects, experiment with AI algorithms. Prepare for future coding careers. This gradual progression ensures students continue learning as their skills improve. Introduction to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries around the world, and this robotics kit introduces students to AI concepts in an exciting, accessible way. Through guided projects, learners explore intelligent robot behavior, automated responses, sensor interaction, environmental awareness, pattern recognition, smart decision making, autonomous movement, machine control concepts. These activities provide an excellent foundation for understanding modern AI technologies. Encourages STEM education. The Nous AI Robot is much more than a coding toy. It is a complete STEM learning platform that integrates multiple educational disciplines into one engaging project. Students gain experience in science, technology, engineering, mathematics, robotics, electronics, computer science, artificial intelligence by combining theory with practical application. Students better understand how technology works in everyday life. Hands-on learning experience. Children learn best through exploration and experimentation. Rather than memorizing concepts, they actively solve problems, troubleshoot issues, and improve their programming skills through real-world challenges. Each completed project boosts confidence while encouraging independent thinking and creativity. Hands-on activities help improve problem-solving, logical reasoning, creativity, analytical thinking, patience, concentration, teamwork, innovation, interactive robotic functions. Once programmed, the robot can perform numerous exciting actions that make every coding session rewarding. Depending on the programming projects, the robot may perform functions such as movement control, direction changes, obstacle detection, sensor interaction, automated responses, programmable routines, custom animations, interactive behaviors. Every project allows learners to personalize their robot and explore new possibilities. Ideal for home and classroom learning, the Nous AI Robot is suitable for many educational environments. Perfect for home learning, STEM clubs, robotics competitions, coding classes, school science projects, technology workshops, after-school programs, homeschool education. Teachers can easily incorporate the robot into STEM lessons, while parents can encourage independent learning at home. Develops future career skills. Technology continues to shape the future, making coding and robotics valuable skills for tomorrow's workforce. Students develop abilities that are useful for careers in artificial intelligence, robotics, engineering, software development, computer science, data science, automation, electronics engineering. Early exposure helps learners gain confidence before entering higher education or professional training. Easy to expand as programming knowledge grows, students can continue exploring increasingly advanced coding projects. They can improve existing programs, design custom behaviors, build automation routines, experiment with sensors, learn debugging techniques, explore AI programming concepts, create unique robotics projects. Continue developing coding skills. The robot grows alongside the learner's abilities. Safe, durable construction designed with education in mind. The robot kit features durable components capable of withstanding repeated assembly and experimentation. Its quality construction makes it suitable for daily learning, classroom use, repeated programming sessions, long-term STEM education, robotics practice, family learning activities. Inspires creativity unlike fixed-function electronic toys. The Nous AI Robot allows users to create something entirely their own. Students can design unique robot actions, create coding challenges, invent new behaviors, solve engineering problems, build creative programming projects, test original ideas, experiment, freely learn through discovery. There are virtually endless ways to customize the robot's capabilities. Excellent gift for future innovators searching for a meaningful gift that combines education and entertainment. The Nous AI Robot Coding Kit is an outstanding choice for birthdays, holidays, graduation rewards, or special occasions. Ideal for boys and girls ages 12 plus, beginner programmers, teen coders. Robotics